In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an LBANK account. You can receive up to $255 in welcome bonuses in LBANK right now. Make sure to use the link down below in the description and get started. First of all, pop in your email or phone number. And then make sure that you actually use a randomly generated password. Please make sure to do so, as passwords are easy to guess if they are related to you in any way or any form. Click on claim the welcome bonus, pass the verification bot, and then you will be sent a code. Keep in mind that this code is very important. That's why you use an email that's actually valid and that you have access to all the time. After that, enter the code and you will be prompted with the first page. After that, you'll receive another email. Open that email and you'll be able to access the account. That's it for today's video, and goodbye.